Want to uncover hidden real estate deals before anyone else even knows they exist? Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to pull a highly targeted pre-foreclosure list using Propstream, giving you a serious edge in finding motivated sellers first. Log into your Propstream account and center the map on the market you are interested in. Enter your target city and county in the search bar to narrow down your search area. Now, click on Filters, scroll down to the Pre-Foreclosure section. Here you'll find options like lease pendants, NOD, Notice of Default, and auctions. These represent different stages of the foreclosure process. Select the stages you want to target. I suggest starting with lease pendants and NOD crucially. Add an equity filter. This ensures the homeowner has something to lose. Increasing their motivation to sell. A good starting point is 20% or higher. To refine your list further, use the property characteristics filters. Specify your preferred property type, like single family or condo, and even consider a year-built reign. Under ownership info, filter for length of ownership. Homeowners who have owned the property for several years may be more willing to sell than face foreclosure. Now that you've applied your filters, Propstream will display only the properties meeting your criteria. You've just generated a targeted list of pre-foreclosure properties. Click on any property to view detailed information, including owner contact details and mortgage information. Use this data to start reaching out to these motivated sellers. That's it. Now go out there and start finding those hidden deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate investing tips.